HHH Equipment Resources specializes in glass furnaces and fabrication equipment with industry-leading technical support. Our expert team provides consulting, installation, training, and ongoing support, as well as a comprehensive line of tempering furnaces and glass machinery to meet all fabricator needs. Our equipment lineup includes tempering furnaces, glass edging and polishing equipment, CNC machining centers, insulated glass equipment, glass laminating systems, glass washing and drying machines, glass water jet cutters, glass grinding and seaming machines, glass cutting systems, and more. All equipment comes backed by our US-based technical support team. 5 service centers across the East and West Coast allow us to provide real-time support and service. With over 150 years of glass industry experience, our team delivers expertise that drives results. With HHH, the difference is clear.